you beautiful people. Hello and welcome back to my channel. I'm Lucy Stephenson, but you can call me Luce because we're all friends here. If you are new, please don't forget to hit subscribe and give this video a thumbs up because it really helps out my channel, and turn that notification bell on. So my last video that I uploaded was my review of the Marilyn Monroe Revolution Pro collection, and today we are back with the Bratz collection reveal. So it has 4 products in this collection, and even though there's like 4, it's a pricey collection because you get quite a lot within each, because it's like a couple of vaults and stuff. So this is what we've got here. So in today's video I'll go through the prices, what's inside it, do close-ups and all that kind of good stuff, and then please let me know how you want me to do my reviews, because I'm thinking, should I do one video testing all of the palettes and do one video doing lip swatches of the lip vault? But I'll show you it all and then you can help me decide. So please comment down below so I know what on earth I'm doing. If you're wondering anything about my makeup, I'll let you know what I've just put on because it's my first time trying it. So this is the Lucky Penny Colourpop palette. This looks like this. It is beautiful. The shimmers, sexy. And I've also kept out my lip combination to tell you as well, because I will forget. So it's all Doll Beauty. So this is the Doll Beauty You Go Girl lip liner with the My Love lipstick, and then also the #sponsored lip gloss. So there's 4 different things in this collection. We have a eyeshadow palette vault, we have a lip vault, we have a sleepover kit, and we also have a brush set as well. I'm going to start with probably, I don't know, is this the most exciting or is the lip vault most exciting? Oh, I don't know. I feel like the lip vault is more me, but this eyeshadow vault is something else. So this is what it looks like. So if you remember the Bratz collection last time, each of the dolls had their own palettes and you could buy them all individually. And I believe they were like £16 each for a palette, and then the big palette that they did in the last collection was like 20 quid. And I've done a review on one of the palettes and a couple of the lip products from the last collection, so I'll leave that link down below. And I've also done a review on the big Bratz eyeshadow palette. It was actually a collab with my friend Alex. So the palette vault, which has the 4 palettes inside it, the big palettes, is £40, but it's actually reduced at the moment on Revolution's website for £36 on the day that I'm filming this, because I'm filming this super late, ready for to put up tonight. It's like 8:20 that I've finally got everything set up and ready to film. But yeah, this is what it looks like. So we get the 4 palettes inside. These are all brand new palettes. So if you have any of the palettes from the previous collection, you're not going to get any dupes or any multiples or anything like that. They are all brand new and they are all Christmas themes. This is just what they look like. I'll go through each one individually. So first up we have Chloe, and then Chloe's palette looks like this. I must admit, the colours in these palettes excite me. Like, I look at them and I'm like, oh, I can see a look with that. Oh, I could do this look with it. I could do this with look with it. And I'm really happy with the colours that are in it. And you can see it there. This dark one here. Ooh, here. Here. This one looks beautiful. But I really want to try denim jacket as well. That looks stunning. So yeah, that is Chloe's palette. Then we have Yasmin's palette, which matches the background. So Yasmin's palette, this is a bit of me. This colour excites me. This colour excites me. All of the shimmers excite me. This colour excites me. I just feel like they've done really well in regards to like the deeper mattes and stuff in this one, and then the shimmers. They look fire. And then this is what it looks like up close. I really hope that that's focusing, because my camera has been so funny recently. We had a little breakdown again for me filming this video. Then we have Jade's palette, so it just looks like this. It actually matches the background again as well. This is what Jade's looks like. And then this is Jade's one up close. This prom night shade has like a marbly, glittery effect to it. It looks beautiful. We've got a gorgeous deep colour. We've got like different ones that we can use as transition colours. I love it. Oh, this one looks really nice as well. It's like a melony kind of shade. So that one is Jade. And then the last one that we have is Sasha, which looks like this. And this one, I love it. This is called Gold Hoops. I feel like it calls to my inner chav. To my old chav days, which is always a part of me. So yeah, this is Sasha's one. Beautiful. We've got some deeper kind of bluey green, a deeper green. We've got some like deeper ones. Like, so yeah, this is just what hers looks like. And obviously you get the little mirror on the top as well. So yeah, that is the the palette vault. So please let me know, do you want me to do a video like just on the palettes, and then I'll go through, I'll swatch them all and maybe do like 4 looks in one video. I'll do like one eye, and do like that, if that makes any sense. So yeah, that is the shadow palette vault. And then we have the sleepover kit. This is what this one looks like. So this normally costs £20, but it's actually £18. I've got £2 off on the website at the moment. This isn't something that I would personally buy with my own money. I do think it's quite a lot of money for £18. However, I can understand, like, my sister probably would really, really like this. But for me, as a, like, how old am I? 26. I'm 27 next month. As a 26-year-old woman, lady, this wouldn't be something that I would personally buy. I'm all about the eyeshadow vault and the lip vault. Oh, wait until you see that. However, in this you do get the little Bratz eye mask. You get the scrunchie, which I will 100% be using because I absolutely love. I've literally got one to the side here. Absolutely love scrunchies. However, what I will say is there is some products in here, and this is massive. So I can maybe understand the price. So this is a lip scrub, and when I say to you, like, this is huge. This has 12 grams in it. Like, it's it's absolutely massive. I could compare it to, I don't know, this Body Shop one. It is massive in comparison. Like, the Body Shop one has, actually doesn't even say, what did it say? 8.9 grams in it. This one has 12 grams. It is absolutely huge. So you get the lip scrub. You also get, I think this is a lip balm as well, a lip mask, which again, that smells really nice, which again is absolutely massive. So I can understand with these products why it'd be a little bit more pricey. And this little funky one, what are you? This is it's a lip oil. Oh, I'd use this as well. Actually, do you know what? Considering you're getting like a massive lip scrub, a massive lip mask, a lip oil and a scrunchie and an eye mask, okay, the price makes sense to me now. I get it, but I'm just not the client base for it, apart from the lip products. I'm all about that. I absolutely love, oh, I've got itchy nose. Absolutely love anything to do with like lip oils, lip masks, scrubs and all that kind of good stuff. So that is the sleepover set. Next up we have, I do honestly think this might be my favourite thing. And this is the thing in the collection that I was like, oh, this is fire. This is the, oh my god, it's not my elbow. This is the lip vault. She is sexy. So the top row is matte liquid lipsticks, and the bottom row is lip glosses. Oh my god, I'm so excited to try these. So the lip vault normally retails for £25, but it's reduced to £22.50 at the moment. So we have a red liquid lipstick. We have like a really, really deep one. Oh, that's sexy, that. And we also have a more pinky one, which wouldn't be one that I'd reach for that often, but I'd use it for like certain like makeup looks. We have a nude. Bit of me, that one. And then we also have 4 of the glosses. So we have a clear sparkly gloss, you can see that there. We also have a pink sparkly gloss, which I will definitely get my use out of all of these. Then we have like, this is like a nudie pinky gloss, and it has like gold and pink and purpley kind of reflex. It's got like a duochrome kind of reflex to it. And then the last one, which is sexy. This is like a dark, again with the same kind of reflex as the other one, but like a darker colour. And I can imagine these two together. Oh, sexual chemistry. But yeah, that is the lip vault. I'm honestly so excited. These better look banging on the lips, otherwise I would be so disappointed because I haven't tried any of them yet. So yeah, that retails for £25. And considering the Bratz one from the collection before, I'm pretty sure the lip glosses, because they're massive, like the proper chunky big lip glosses, I'm looking for mine, but I don't know where I've put it. They retailed for £8 last time, I believe. So you're getting a lot inside for £25. So I am happy with that. I do think that's definitely worth it. And then last but not least in the collection is a brush set. So this normally retails for £25 and it's reduced at the moment to £22.50. So this is what the little brush set looks like. So it comes obviously in a little reusable bag of a little Bratz. I think this is very on trend. I feel like Bratz is like just totally come back. And then this is what the inside of the bag looks like with the brushes inside. I do feel like there should have been a brush here, here, I can't think of it, because it's just one missing otherwise. I feel like it should have been a brush there. But I've looked, and on the website, that's right, it is only 6 brushes. But yeah, I just feel like there should have been like another one there, because it just looked a bit, or even just like put this one on this side so it was like 3 and 3. If that makes any sense. I know it's just like a stupid thing to comment on, but that's the first thing when I opened it, I was like, oh, am I missing a brush? And I was like, oh no, I'm not. So yeah, we have a big fluffy brush. We have a nice one like this, which I would normally use like for my blusher. This is what I'm using currently for my blusher, so it's just kind of the same. And then we also have this one, which is what I would use for powder underneath my eyes. To be fair, you could also use that as blusher. I've used what was it? What's the word? Peaches and cream one. Couldn't think of the word. That's quite similar. Then we have like this kind of brush, which to be fair, you could use that as a highlighter brush, not even necessarily for your eyes. And then we have a smaller brush you could use for carving out your brows, for putting on your base, if you want to pack it on instead, for cutting the crease. And then we also have an angled one, which you could use for your brows. So yeah, that is everything that is in the brush set, and that is the full collection. I would love to know, first of all, how you want me to do these videos. Do you want me to do a video separately on the eyeshadow palette vault and do a look with every single palette, and then do a video separately on the lip vault, doing swatches and trying them all? Please let me know, because I think it's going to be too much to do in one video. I think the video is going to be way too long, like 4 palettes, 4 swatches of palettes, 4 reviews and tutorials using the palettes, and then also doing a full lip swatch of 8 different products. It's going to be too much for one video, so I'm definitely going to have to split it. Please let me know in the comments, because like your feedback means the most to me, because I now know what to do with my life, if that makes sense. So yeah, I'd love to know what you think. Are you going to pick anything up? It has been out for a while, since Wednesday, so have you already got something from it? Have you tried it yet? What are your thoughts? Yeah, I'd love to know what you think down below, and I hopefully will see you tomorrow for a brand new video. It won't be Bratz tomorrow, because tomorrow is my Revolution day, and I'm always tired when I've done my Revolution days on Mondays and Tuesdays, because I'm always like filming content and stuff, so I'm never really in the mood after work to then film YouTube videos too, unless it's like an unboxing one. So I think I'll be back tomorrow with an unboxing video. I haven't got a clue what yet, but we shall see tomorrow. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. I hopefully will see you tomorrow for a brand new video. Thank you for being patient with me, as always, and thank you to my patrons for being so lovely as always. Yeah, I'll see you tomorrow. Love you. Bye.